Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student and dear viewers, today I am going to discuss a magic trick to calculating the value of trigonometric function or the getting the value of trigonometric function. Okay, so there is a rule when we calculate the value of sin theta, then we must count this finger in downward direction. Okay, when we calculate the value of cos theta, then we must count the fingers in upward direction. Okay, it is very simple rule. What to do? Simple. We count the number of fingers. When we calculate the value of sin theta, there is two finger left except this finger in downward direction. Okay, then the sin 45 degree equal to root 2 fingers or divided by 2. We put 2 as a denominator for cos theta and sin theta in every cases. Okay, then we get the value of sin theta, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Okay, so there is a formula sin theta equal to number of downward fingers except this finger which one indicate the degree of the function. Okay, when we calculate the value of 60 degree, we count the fingers in downward direction 1, 2, 3 and upward direction only there is 1. Okay, in this way we can get every single trigonometric function value. Okay, so let's go. Sin theta I am going to calculate every one, that is sin 0 degree equal to, here is 0 degree, there is no finger left in downward direction except this finger, therefore root over 0 by 2 equal to 0. Sin 30 degree equal to, when here is 30 degree, we also where this finger is indicating the value of 30 degree, therefore in downward direction there is one finger, that is the sin theta, value of sin theta will be root 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. In this similar manner, in this similar way, sin 45 degree equal to, when sin 45 degree we already calculated. How? 45 degree is, this is the finger for indicating the value of 45 degree. There is two finger left downward direction. There is two finger left except this finger is 1, 2 finger left. Therefore root 2 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree equal to, when 60 degree 1, 2, 3 finger left, we also count the finger by our own hand, own left hand. Okay, this is 60 degree, 1, 2, 3 finger are left in downward direction, therefore the value of 60 degree will be root 3 by 2, it equal to root 3 by 2. Again the sin 90 degree, here is 90 degree, there is 4 finger left in downward direction, therefore root 4 by 2, it will be 2 by 2 and equal to 1. Okay, calculating the now I am going to calculate the value of cos theta or cos function cos 0 degree. Here is 0 degree, there is upward direction 1 2 3 4 finger left, therefore root 4 by 2 equal to 1. Cos 30 degree, of course there is 3 finger left, therefore root 3 by 2 is the value, root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree equal to 45 to 2 finger left, root 2 by 2, it will be 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree, here is 60 degree, there is 1 finger left in upward direction, therefore root 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree, here is 90 degree and there is no finger left in upward direction, therefore 90 degree equal to 0, root 0 by 2 equal to 0. Okay guys, now we also going to calculate the value of tan theta. We know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. When we calculate the value of sin theta, now let us consider tan 30 degree. Okay, sin 30 degree, there is 1 finger left, there is therefore 1 by root 1 by 2, and sin 30 there is 3 finger left, root 3 by 2. These two will be omitted. Okay, by the complex fraction rule, by the complex fraction rules, these two will be omitted. Okay, it will be root over 1 equal to 1 and root 3 equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so we only write the number of fingers in downward direction and upward direction. Simple, let us consider the value of tan 60 degree. Here 60 degree, we have to put our left hand just like this. Here is 60 degree, 3 finger is left in downward direction, therefore we write root 3, and there is 1 finger left in upward direction, we write root 1 equal to root 3 only. In this way we calculate every function, every value of tan theta. Also tan 0 degree, here is 0 degree, there is no finger left, therefore root 0, there is 1 2 3 finger left in upward direction, therefore it is root 4 equal to 0. Tan 90 degree equal to, here is 90 degree, there is 4 finger left in downward direction, and here is 90 degree, there is no finger left in upward direction, therefore root 0 by root 4 equal to 2 by 0 equal to infinity, or it's called undefined or infinity. Okay, so we in this way, in this manner, we following this magic trick, we get every trigonometric function value, that is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta also. Now we also can calculate or get the value of cosec theta. How? Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. When we want to calculate the value of cosec theta, we calculate the value of sin theta first. How? We know the sin theta rule. Like we want to calculate the value of cosec 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree is here, 0 degree is here, sin 0 degree equal to 0 root 0 by 2, when that it is 0, 0 inverse equal to infinity. Okay, cosec 30 degree. 30 degree is here. There is one finger left. Therefore, value of sin 30 degree equal to root 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, it gives the value of cosec 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 inverse equal to 2 only. In this way, we calculate every value of cosec theta also. Now we can calculate the value of cot theta. How we can calculate the value of cot theta? We know cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Then we put our left hand in this way, in this manner, like this. When we calculate the value of cot 0, here is 0, we first calculate the value of cos theta. Therefore, we count the number of finger in upward direction. 0 degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 finger is left in upward direction. Therefore, it will be root 4 by, here is 0, there is no finger left. Therefore, it will be infinity. Cot 0 equal to undefined or infinity. Cot 30 degree equal to 30 degree, there is 3 finger left, root 3, there is 1 finger left after 30 degree. After 30 degree finger in downward direction, there is 1 finger left only. And in upward direction, here is 30 degree, there are 1, 2, 3 finger left in upward direction. Therefore, root 3 by root 1, it will be root 3 only. Cot 45 degree, when is cot 45 degree, there is 2 finger in downward direction and 2 finger is also upward direction. Therefore, root 2 by root 2 equal to 1. Cot 60 degree, there is 1 finger left after 60 degree finger. Therefore, root 1, and there are 3 finger left after 60 degree, that is root 3. It will be 1 by root 3. Okay. Cot 90 degree. Here is 90 degree, there is no finger left after 90 degree in upward direction, but there is 4 finger left after 90 degree in downward direction. 4 root 0 by root 4, that is 0. Cot 90 degree equal to 0. Okay. Only we did not calculate the value of sec theta. It is also easy. It is your task. Okay. Here I am going to stop the discussion. I think you better understand. All of you are very intelligent. Okay. Bye bye. Good night. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.